In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to optimize a blog for SEO in HubSpot. If you're looking to boost your blog's visibility and reach a broader audience, optimizing for search engines is essential. Let's dive into the process step by step, ensuring you can follow along seamlessly, even if you're new to HubSpot or SEO. To begin, open your web browser and navigate to your HubSpot account. Once logged in, you'll want to locate the trial guide. You can do this by heading to the Sales Hub Professional section within your HubSpot portal. This area is crucial as it lays the groundwork for accessing various tools and features you'll need for optimizing your blog. Next, focus your attention on the Blog section. This is where you'll find all your blog content ready to be tweaked and maximized for search engine optimization. Once you're there, simply click on the blog link. At this point, HubSpot will present a list of all your existing blog posts, and you'll want to make sure you're accessing the right one for editing. Choosing the correct language settings is critical to ensuring the optimization matches your target audience. Click on the English, United States option. This setting helps align your blog content with language-specific SEO strategies, important for reaching searchers in the US market. If your audience is based elsewhere, you'll select the language setting that corresponds to their location and language. Once you've ensured that you're in the correct blog environment, locate the Optimize option. This is the heart of your SEO activity within the HubSpot blog tool. Clicking on this will open up a series of options and recommendations tailored to enhance your blog's SEO potential. HubSpot provides you with suggestions, frequently guiding you on how to improve elements such as keywords, meta descriptions, and readability. These are vital elements as they significantly impact how well your content can rank on search engines like Google. Remember, the optimization process is dynamic. It's important to analyze each recommendation HubSpot offers, adjusting elements like keyword density and meta tags where necessary. Also, consider the user experience. Make sure your content is engaging and valuable to your readers. This human element is just as pivotal to SEO as the technical aspects. SEO is not a one-time task, but an ongoing process. Revisiting and refining your blog content regularly ensures that it remains relevant and competitive. As you implement these steps, you'll gradually see improvements in your blog's search ranking and online visibility. By following these steps, you're on the right path to optimizing your blog in HubSpot and enhancing its SEO performance. Take your time, experiment with different settings, and watch as your efforts begin to pay off in the form of increased traffic and engagement. Happy blogging!